Marques Brownlee introduces iOS 26's sweeping visual redesign, known as Liquid Glass, calling it Apple's most ambitious aesthetic overhaul in years.
Because this one is a pretty big update.
Marques tours iOS 26's camera app, now with simplified toolbar and layouts. He applauds how photo and video options are now front and center.
It's just the shutter button, the zoom buttons, and then a few other buttons at the top. It's just the shutter.
Marques highlights the Photos app, which now includes restored tabs for library and collections, making navigation easier.
Defaults to the library view, which is just all your latest photos and videos, which is what we all wanted the first time.
He emphasizes that the liquid glass design spans across app icons, toolbars, lock screen, control center, and more, creating a unified translucent interface across iOS and other Apple platforms.
I think this encapsulates it all. This is what liquid glass is all about.
Marques Brownlee concludes that iOS 26 and its improvements, along with the Liquid Glass UI, mark a bold, new chapter for Apple's design direction. Well, that's around 13 minutes saved. See you next time.